you're interested in using an external webcam instead of the inbuilt camera in your computer, then stay tuned because I'll be reviewing the Logitech C920 coming up. Hi, Damaso Marie here with Creative Online Courses, and on this channel I guide you through tips and tutorials to crush it with visual media and to produce your online courses like a boss. I also go behind the scenes with a vlog of what it's like to be a mum entrepreneur, so if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Now, as I mentioned in the introduction, I'm going to give you a quick review of the Logitech C920, so let's jump right in. Okay, so this is the Logitech C920 and it is a great camera to use as a webcam. It is 1080p, so it has a really good quality image. If you find that when you plug it in and the image quality isn't as nice as you would like it, there is a program that you can use to tweak it, the actual settings, in order to improve the image. So if you find it's not quite as good as you think it is, there is a program that can do that, and I'll be showing you that in another video coming up, so look out for that. But as it is a good image, 1080p, get good quality video with that. You've got the the microphones on either side, so it will pick up your audio. And I would actually recommend not using that if you can. I would recommend using the Blue Yeti, which I have right here, which is a great studio microphone. So my setup is to use this and this Blue Yeti. We have a thread at the bottom, so you can put this into a tripod. And it doesn't move around much, so it's got the movement up and down like this, and it can go up pretty much straight and then down like that, but you can't turn it around, so you'd have to manually turn it if you wanted to do that. So alternatively, you could put it onto a little tripod with a movable head, and you can then move the head of the tripod, which will then give it a lot more flexibility. If you are just using it for tutorials on your computer and things like that, it's unlikely you would need that flexibility, so it's not something I miss, but just to bear that in mind. On the bottom here you have this little flap which you kind of pull up like this, and this can go on the back of the laptop. So when you've got the back of the laptop here, this will go flush against that, and then this lip goes over the front. So for example, and pull up my laptop here, and I will just clip it down over the top like that, and then position it as appropriate. It also has a nice long USB cable, so it should have no problem getting into your computer, especially if it's a laptop, but also if you've got a desktop somewhere, you can plug it in nice and easily. As for setting it up on your computer, you should be able to just plug it and play. I found that I just needed to plug it in and then my software recognized it. I use ScreenFlow and OBS and I've not had any problems, but if you do have any problems, they have a website where you can go to, and there may be drivers there that you can download if you need them. Like I said, I didn't need them. It was just a case of plug and play, nice and simple. Okay, so I hope that was helpful as we took a quick look at the Logitech C920, and stay tuned for the rest of the videos this coming week in this mini-series as I look at how to adjust the settings for the C920 and also general webcam tips for whatever camera that you're using, and also how to use a webcam in the setting of producing your online courses or tutorials. So come back and watch those videos as they come out. Let me know in the comment section below which camera you use, if you use this one or if you use a different one. And thank you for watching this video. And if you're interested in more tips and tutorials on visual media, building online courses or tutorials, or what it's like behind the scenes of a mum building a business, then please subscribe, and you can check out a couple more videos right here. And if you like this video, then please hit that like button, and we will talk soon.